Akiaria thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Kamahuha mwena wa Maragwa Murang'a, Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha augite gucenjia gwa thirikari thutha wa githurano kia mweri wa kanana gutibatie ona hanini guthararia mivango ya githomo iria iriho. Magoha ni atariirie ati gutire mutongoria ona umwe utoi uria tabarira ya mathomo bururi-ini itarie na kumithoga ni guthukiria mamilioni ma arutwo miturire yao.
Importance of this is that we are in a transition period in Kenya, and politicians are politicians, but for us as public workers we must ensure that whoever takes over the country as a president does not interfere with the smooth running of our children's examinations.
Akinyavara mwaka wa irathi cia CBC thukuru-ini uyu, Magoha ni akinyiriirie ati igeranio iria cigekwo ni arutwo a kirathi kia grade ya gatandatu, kirathi gia kanana na form 4 muthia-ini wa mwaka ciothe cigukorwo ihaririirio gukinyiria mweri wa keri mwaka-ini uyu.
There is also another small matter of another exam coming in December. That examination coming in December will be ready. Both primary, secondary and grade 6 will be ready by the end of February.
Magoha ni oritie arutwo aria othe metereire guikarira kigeranio kiao matikagie na guoya kuona ministry ya githomo ni bajiriire mivango yothe ya gutigirira maundu mothe ni magacira.
That these March examinations have taken into consideration the fact that the timetable was constricted and that the children should not worry, and the marking will also take into consideration the fact that the timetable was constricted. So there is no need to panic as if it is the end of the world. We just want to know, under these very difficult circumstances, how much we are able to be taught.
Waki wa irathi cia CBC ni urathie na mbere kuria thukuru cia secondary county-ini ya Murang'a cigukorwo cigiakirwo irathi 345 cia guthomerwo ni arutwo a junior high school mwaka ukite.
Where we are building 5,200 classrooms, all of which must be ready by the first week of March, so that as we start the examinations, we focus on the exams. The second phase of this project, as directed by the President, will start at the end of April, when the exams have been marked and results released.
Wakiigua Kamuhua gunyira niguo ngururirie na guthararie tondu gaka ni kanya kohoro kuma metumi Ndigi Magoro. Ritwa riakwa ni Sarah Wambui wa Mwangi.
Good. One of the three.